Hi, let's talk about something many of you have asked about, your credit score and whether opening a Newtek Bank account will affect it. It's a valid concern because your credit score is a big deal. It impacts everything from loans to mortgages to even your insurance rates. The good news is, for a standard Newtek Bank account, which is a deposit account like a checking or savings account, the answer is generally no. Opening a checking or savings account doesn't directly impact your credit score. This is because your credit score is primarily about your credit history, how you borrow and repay money. It's about your credit cards, car loans, and mortgage payments. Your checking and savings accounts are not considered credit products. You're not borrowing money, you're simply storing it. So, the act of opening the account itself won't show up on your credit report and won't change your score. Now, you might be thinking, but don't banks check my credit when I apply? Yes, they do. But for a deposit account, they typically perform what's called a soft inquiry, or soft credit pull. This is a check on your credit file that is used to verify your identity and help the bank make a decision. The key difference is that a soft inquiry doesn't affect your credit score. It's not visible to other lenders and doesn't ding your score like a hard inquiry would. Hard inquiries are what happen when you apply for a credit card, a loan, or a mortgage. Those are tied to you wanting to borrow money. When you're just opening a bank account to save or manage your daily spending, it's a completely different type of inquiry. Newtek Bank's own FAQ confirms this, stating they do not do a hard pull when you open an account. So, while the act of opening the account is credit score neutral, there is one major indirect way your Newtek Bank account can impact your credit. That's through how you manage your money. For instance, if you have an account that consistently has negative balances or you have a history of frequent overdrafts, this could be reported to a specialized banking behavior reporting agency like ChexSystems. While not a credit bureau in the traditional sense, a bad record with ChexSystems can make it difficult for you to open new accounts at other banks in the future. And while a ChexSystems report doesn't directly impact your credit score, poor banking habits can have a ripple effect. If you have to resort to using a credit card for an emergency because you don't have enough savings, that can increase your credit utilization and negatively affect your score. Or, if you miss a bill payment because your account is overdrawn, that missed payment will be reported to the credit bureaus and will definitely hurt your credit score. So, to wrap it all up, opening a standard Newtek Bank account will not directly affect your credit score. They use a soft credit pull that doesn't impact your score. However, managing your money responsibly within that account is a critical part of your overall financial health.